Hey, Brew and Feed here. I'm going to be trying to make some lollipop drumsticks today. First time ever. And I'm going to be pairing it with a brown ale from Highwire Brewing Company called Bed of Nails. I got a crowler of this from Black Mountain Brewing Company. They're a little short on their beers, so they've been putting some beers on tap from breweries around the city here in Asheville. And Bed of Nails brown ales was on tap, and I figured it would go good with the smoked fig balsamic barbecue sauce. So let's go check it out and see what I'm working with. Okay, I'm here with the lollipop chicken drums. Let's check them out and see what they're working with. So the lollipop chicken drums are great. They came out perfect. The sauce that I use is a spicy sweet smoked fig barbecue sauce. And the way you make this chicken is you have to pull the tendons off the chicken and then push it down, so that way when it cooks, it basically leaves a stem or a stick or a lollipop stick on the chicken, and basically it looks like a lollipop. So that's what I call lollipop chickens. This barbecue sauce happens to be candy-like sweet because of the fig, and also because of the white balsamic, because it's a white balsamic based barbecue sauce. So it gives it a candy-like sweetness. So these are really real, true lollipop chicken drumettes or chicken drums. I paired these with some grilled sweet peppers. I also use blue cheese for my dipping sauce for these. Typically I would use ranch, but I was feeling a little nostalgic for blue cheese, which goes with wings. These chicken lollipop drums came out excellent. I recommend you try it. We'll throw the recipe up so people can check it out. I also paired these lollipop chicken drums with a beer called Bed of Nails by Highwire Brewing Company. It's about 6.2% ABV. It's got some notes of caramel, toffee, typical brown ale, very malt forward, not a lot of hop presence in this beer. You're basically drinking a brown ale because you appreciate the roasted malt that goes into it that makes it taste quote unquote brown. It's a good pairing. It's a dry beer too, so that's good. I like pairing my meals, especially meals that are very flavorful, with drier beers because it helps clean my palate. It doesn't interfere too much with the food, but this beer still does have a lot of flavor because of those toffee notes and the hints of caramel that I get. So I'm going to recommend that if you make these lollipop drums, that you pair it with a brown ale. Find a good English brown ale, American brown ale. It's going to give you some of the same notes. English brown ale is going to have a little bit more fruity esters in it because of the malt that's used there. But try a good brown ale, make sure it's dry. And there you have it. Lollipop chicken drums made with smoked fig balsamic barbecue sauce. Brew strong and feed well.